Good evening, afternoon, 3:30, 4 o'clock, somewhere around in there. There's still construction workers out there working. It's snowing. It's interesting as far as the weather we've had this week, but good thing is almost all the roof is on, so we don't have to worry so much about leaks anymore, and drywall being ruined and that kind of thing, ceilings ruined, that kind of thing. So that's really good. So we're going to take a look not only at the construction that's taken place, but also Friday there was also some other work going on inside the auditorium, and I want to show you that. Now I will warn you that for some reason the camera stabilization wasn't working so well when I shot that video, so I hope you don't get seasick, but it's something you ought to see, and hopefully if it doesn't make it too difficult, then watch and see what your fellow members are doing here at Cornerstone Christian Church. For a change, we're going to go out this door because I want you to see what's out here in front. You see that little roof over there. Now I've done some roofing projects on churches before and on my own house, but that's been a long time ago. This would be about my style right now, low to the ground. But that's going to go up on top, and the cross will go up on top of that. Now these walls that you see over here are going to be the walls in the tower that little roof will sit on. So they're preparing these, getting these ready to go. And I think I've mentioned in some other videos in the past that some of that prep work was done out there, but now it's been moved over here and prepared and gotten in position. And then here's a nice dry one. Now, one thing that I was impressed with this week was a lot of work got done over here where there were some windows before. This is where Colin's office was, and the windows have been removed. This is starting to get framed in here around the concrete, or I should say the brickwork. And there's one of these dedicated guys that's out here on a Saturday. Over here was Halah's classroom, and those windows are gone now. In here, the nursery area is being worked on. This is all opened up now. Now, it is a mess in here. Don't be alarmed. There is no lasting ceiling here. I mean, this ceiling's coming out. There's nothing that's going to get ruined here. There is a little bit of water dripping down here and there. But this is all going to be redone. The carpeting taken out, new carpeting put in, check-in area here, out here for the kids, and an area here for the parents. It's really kind of nice to just think that almost this whole building is now under a roof, and we don't have to worry about water damage. And it's also nice for the workers that are putting their time in here. This here is going to be a storage area. This will have tables and chairs because a lot of our events that we're going to have are going to be right out here. So if somebody comes in what will be door number 1, or they come in door number 7, they come walking in these main entrances, and bam, here's the event right here. They don't have to go wandering through the building trying to find something. Also through here, a lot more work was done on the bathroom area. You can see a lot of the plumbing got put in, and that's nice to see. The plumbers have been hard at work. Wow, there's a lot done. I hadn't even been in here yet, so that's awesome. Also, we'll take a little shortcut through here, and I want you to see one more little addition that was made down in the living room. Now, this is Colin's old office, the old workroom, and we're taking this little shortcut through here, and we're going to head down into the living room area. And I want you to see that chandelier up there. I think that's actually kind of pretty. The way those lights shine like that, it looks like stars in the sky. A little bit like, well, maybe the Indiana state flag even. So, Next, on to the auditorium. All right, it's Friday afternoon and there's a lot happening on the outside. The guys are working on the framing. Man, it's really making progress. But while all of that is going on out there, I want you to see a little bit of what's going on inside. So let's just take a look. Let's just take a look at all these people from Cornerstone. All right, the truck is unloaded. The chairs have been unstacked. The insulation now and padding and protective stuff is being taken off. The waste baskets are being filled. It's gonna look great. Well, that's it for this Saturday night, and I'm really appreciative of you tuning in, and I love getting your comments too as far as that goes, finding out what you think about this project and the progress that we're making. So keep praying. That's the big thing here is we may not be driving the nails and that kind of thing, but we can pray, and that is a very important thing. Pray for, absolutely, pray for this project, pray for the workers, pray for our volunteers, pray for our leaders at this church, in our state, in our country. Pray, pray, pray in all things. Pray. God bless.